Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be working on the Toyota Highlander 207 model. The issue with the car is no crank, no start. So the owner called me. I've already come to check the car. So but first of all I need to observe the lights on the dashboard. As you can see, there is no engine shake light on the dashboard. So this thing alone, I'm not sure that my machine will work on this car now, because that engine shake light is the brainbox light. So let me try to scan the motor to see if I will get any code from it within VIN. So as you can see, the machine failed to decode the vehicle chassis of the number. So let me manually input it and see what will happen. So this is where we can get the vehicle chassis by the door side. So I'm done putting the chassis manually. So let's enter and see what will happen. O6 model. Yes. Diagnosis, control, engine and etc. You can see device unable to communicate with the control unit because the shake light is not showing on the dashboard. So the next line of action is to check the circuit connection, your fuses and other things. So first of all, let me check the internal fuse, which is by the side of the vehicle. So with my testing lamp, I'm checking the internal fuse. So finally, I'm done checking this fuse. There's no blown fuse in this side. Let's go to the engine bay. Finally, our culprit was the fuse here, which is the EFI fuse of the vehicle. It's having partial contact, so it's making it not to contact. So I already fade it. Let me put it back. And let's go and check for the shake light and also scan the motor and see what will happen. Okay, as you can see now, we now have engine shake light appearing on the vehicle. So let's rescan again and see what will come out in our scanning device. Engine and etc. Okay, now it's communicating. Okay, so we have mass airflow, intake temperature, crankshaft, camshaft, a lot of code here. So but as for now, okay, I remember when I was doing some of the diagnosis, I removed the socket of the mass airflow. So I'm coming to reset the machine. Okay, this is it, the mass airflow. So I will erase the code and still know the actual code that will come out. Remember, the issue with the car is no crank, no start. Okay. So guys, we are good. The car is on now and we are good to go. You can see it. Let's rescan again and see what will happen. Okay, we see how some of this code will work on it, but now the car is starting. So guys, if you are finding value in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.